We have capacity locally to be able to assemble commercial vehicles, especially the big trucks. I want to assure you that by the end of the year, we are going to transition into 100% reliance of locally assembled commercial vehicles, especially the truck, so that we can be able to create more jobs for these people. As we do that, we're also looking at other areas. We have a boat here, Your Excellency. I want to thank Simba Motors. They have something called Simba Marine. They have assembled a boat that is going for 450,000 shillings. In normal times out there, that boat goes for 1.5 million shillings. And we are working with the Cabinet Secretary Mvuria and the State Department for Blue Economy to see how we can be able to integrate that boat into some financing scheme, the same way we are doing for the e-mobility, to ensure that our fishermen are able to access that locally assembled boat.